students. Good morning. So students, are you ready for the game? We are going to enjoy this Saturday with an activity which shows your concentration power. How concentrately you are listening to the instruction, you are following the instructions. The game rules are, you have to do as I say. Whatever I say as I instruct, you will go on doing that action. Okay? And at last when I say, pick the bottle, you will pick the bottle. The one who picks first are the winners. And others are not winning this game, but nobody will be tensed or argue in that. Because it's a fun game, just for enjoyment. No prize for this, only fun game just for enjoyment. Okay? So those who are not won will come out silently and honestly. ईमानदारी से और चुपचाप गेम से बाहर आ जाएंगे और नेक्स्ट लोग को चांस देंगे खेलने का. इस तरह से हम लोग गेम के एंड तक पहुंच सकते हैं. If you don't cooperate, we will not complete the game. So are you ready? Ready? So students, let's start our activity for today. Raise hands. Fold hands. Raise hands. Fold hands. Stand. 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 Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Hands on head. Touch your nose. Touch your waist. Touch your waist. Touch your head. Sit. Stand. Sit. Sit. Sit on lap. Mandi mandi. Sit on lap. Tap your lap. Tap your lap. Clap twice. Clap twice. Clap thrice. Clap thrice. Touch your nose. Touch your eyes. Touch your nose. Finger on lips. Finger on lips. Hold your hands. Stand. Sit. Stand. Pick bottle. Now those who are having the bottles, they remain here. Others come out and form line here. Others come here and form line. Come on fast. Be quick, be quick, be quick. Those who are not taken the bottle will come and stand over here. Yes. So those who are here, ready for cheering your friends? So let your friend win. Ready, yeah? Come on. Sit on lap. Tap your lap. Tap your lap. Clap twice. Clap twice. Stand. Sit. Stand. Stand. Chalo. Go. Sit. Stand. Sit. Sit. Hands behind bottle. Sit. Sit. Stand. Clap. Once. Clap twice. Raise your hands. Fold hands. Raise. Fold. Raise. Fold. Raise. Raise. जो फोल्ड के बाहर आओ. Come on. The ones with bottle remain there. Others come out. Don't touch bottle. Leave it. Stand. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. 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 Stand. Sit. Wow, sit. Stand. Stand. Hold hands. Sit. Sit. Stand. Sit. Pick bottle.
अरे यार
So now tough time over here. Come on. Stand. Stand. Sit. Stand. Hold hands. Sit. Sit. Pick bottle.
आमिना
So come on students. Cheer your friends. Pick. Stand. Sit. Sit. Stand. Sit. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Pick bottle. It's a tie. So once again. Sit. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Fold hands. Raise hands. Fold hands. Raise hands. Sit. Sit. Stand. Stand. Sit. Stand. Pick bottle.